So I was making spaghetti tacos. Got my taco shells and my spaghetti. I kind of was grating Parmesan cheese and I did my finger. I did my finger. I did my finger. It's pretty gross. So yeah, my mom doesn't really let me in the kitchen. So this is why.
Band-aid on that. Band-aid on that. Band-aid on that. No skin chunks. Just come on.
Let's go get ice cream in my kitchen. In my kitchen. Get up your lazy butt. You haven't shaved your legs in 3 months. Light. Wait, so why are you wearing pants on head?
Ceremonial sleeping wardrobe for my country.
I don't know, whatever you just said.
Your hand wander places?
No, my legs places.
They're not good legs. These are Annie's feet. Here is Annie. Whoa. Here is Hella's nose. No. She took iPod of Annie, okay? Annie does not like when people take Annie's iPod, okay? iPod is very pretty, okay? She was on Facebook. I do not want her on my Facebook because then she writes things on people's walls and I don't need them to be written because I would write them if they wanted them to be written. But anyway, she had iPod. She was on bed. She would not give me iPod. So I dove for iPod. She jawed me. She need me in jaw. And then I take iPod. I reach for iPod and then she wrapped legs around hand in this area.
No, you got hand around this area.
No.
True.
She has naughty legs.
True.
She has naughty legs.
Please show my mom that. Get it?